To DJ's Prestige Sports, we've just acquired this lovely Mercedes Sport Coupe AMG. It does come with a private plate, or it can go back to its original plate if you require. It's got front park distance control, upgraded alloy wheels, nice feature of the rear spoiler, rear park distance control. Paintwork is absolutely gleaming. Have a look at that, shines very well. Nice classic colour combination. So C220 CDI. Someone's locked the boot on me. Let's open the boot. The boot's in lovely condition. Back seats do fold down. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors. Seats are all in lovely condition. It's got a lot of extras on this one as well. So you've got, let me start it up. It's just going to be serviced and MOT'd. Got 3-stage heated seats. It's done 76,009 miles. It's nice low mileage. Satellite navigation. Reverse parking camera. Bluetooth connectivity. Bluetooth connectivity for audio as well. Yeah, it's really nice condition. Cruise control, paddle shift on the gearbox. DJH are full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.